Find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the points A 6, 5 and B minus 4, 3. We have to find out a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the points A 6, 5 and B minus 4, 3. And we require a point on y-axis. Let P0y on y-axis is equidistant from A and B. Why 0y? Because on y-axis point is 0y. This implies AP equals BP. This implies root 0 minus 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to root 0 plus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Squaring and simplifying. We get 36 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 equals 16 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. Y square cancels and 16 and 9 and 25 cancels. This we bring on this side. So minus 10y plus 6y equal to minus 36. This implies minus 4y equal to minus 36. This implies y equal to 9. Therefore, point is P0, 9, which is equidistant from A and B. And point is on y-axis.